Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're looking tonight at Bitf stock. Now this one here is up by 7.14% in today's trading. Over the past 5 days, you look at this stock down by 17.78%. The past month here brings us up by over 123%. So with all of these mixed signals, we're asking the question as to what comes next. I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions over the course of this video. If you do enjoy these updates, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It does help me out quite a lot. At the same time, I'd like to remember, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so you should make sure you are doing your own research and coming to your own conclusions. Now I've said that, we might as well jump straight in, but first let me remind you that I also do have a Patreon page, link is in the description. I give you a lot of extra content over there, such as stocks I'm paying attention to, potential swing trades with entry and exit points that I'm looking at, alongside articles that I've written for you guys as well, and lots of other exclusive content. Link is down in the description. Now, jumping straight into the video. Well, we're seeing this stock here ultimately up today, and again, you see the trend for this on the 1 day. Have a look over here, you're seeing this one just slowly pushing up, not bad at all. Now, looking forwards into tomorrow, we do now have a number of interesting levels to pay attention to. First things first, I'm asking the question as to whether we're going to be able to hold on to this low of about 275, 276. Now, I say this because this is the recent levels that we have seen really holding up for certain wicks on the candles here. You're then potentially looking for a level below that, which could be down at 270, 273. If we see these levels hold to the downside as we have seen recently, that could indicate a lot of strength at this range. I also think that there is a lot of potential that you could be seeing this level such as 277 hold. Now again, you're seeing the main bases of these candles here actually holding up very nicely at 277, so you could see the same thing happening here going forwards into tomorrow. That would be the ideal situation. Again, the sort of weaker or worst case scenario is a drop down to those wicks, again 276 all the way down to 270, 273. For a potential low after that, which could be at 268. Now, at the same time, if we are able to hold this, you're looking, of course, for the next level of the push up. Now, that could take us to levels such as 290 for the next resistance. You're looking then for levels such as 294, 295, then to ultimately go on to test 298 into $3, with $3 being the next key level of resistance from there. Now, at the same time, guys, I'd like to point out one thing. This is on the 1 month, right? You're now seeing the stock recently actually touching the oversold range briefly. We're now coming back more into a neutral range. And again, you zoom out here in context, this is now finding a nice base here. This base was at 250, I'd say 255. We're finding that nice base. We are beginning to find a nice consolidation. It's about seeing if this holds up yet again. If it doesn't, again, you could be looking for a nicer entry lower. But if it does, you could be looking for a retest, like I say, of $3 potentially. Then on from there, you look at 320, 350, I'd say, for an eventual push up higher from there. I think that is all possible again, but that is to come. I think that is potentially a little bit ambitious right now. I think really holding these key levels is most important. But yeah, we're cooling off on the indicators a lot. We're now coming way back up to the neutral range on the RSI. Could be a very good thing to pay attention to. I think it's going to be a really interesting stock to watch. Those are some of the key levels that I'm paying attention to, but I'd love to hear what you have to say down in the comments. Thank you for your time, guys, and I hope I'll see you again soon. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right, guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here, guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from $14.50 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.